Child's pose or Balasana is a common beginner's yoga pose. It is often used in resting position in between more difficult poses during a yoga practice. The word Balasana comes from the Sanskrit words Bala meaning child and Asana meaning pose. Child's pose helps to stretch the hips, thighs, and ankles while reducing stress and fatigue. It gently relaxes the muscles on the front of the body while softly and passively stretching the muscles of the back torso. This resting pose centers, calms, and soothes the brain, making it a therapeutic posture for relieving stress. When performed with the head and torso supported, it can also help relieve back and neck pain, sometimes used as a counter pose to back bends, and restore balance and equanimity to the body from inversion. Begin from Dandasana. As you inhale, cross your legs and move up into Vajrasana. Center your breath and begin to let your thoughts slow down. Turn your awareness inward. Your knees are slightly apart while keeping your big toes touching. Rest your buttocks on the heels throughout. Sit up straight and lengthen your spine up to the crown of your head. Inhale, raise your arms over the head. On an exhalation, bow forward. And lower the hands down to the front of the mat and reach out, draping your torso between your thighs. Your heart and chest should rest between or on top of your thighs. Allow your forehead to come to the floor. Keep your arms long and extended, palms facing down. Press back slightly with your hands to keep your buttocks in contact with your heels. Lengthen from your hips to your armpits, and then extend even further to your fingertips. For deeper relaxation, bring your arms back to rest alongside your thighs with your palms facing up. Let your upper back broaden, soften and relax your lower back. Allow all tension in your shoulders, arms and neck to drain away. Keep your gaze drawn inward with your eyes closed. Hold for up to a minute or longer, breathing softly. To release the pose, gently use your hands to walk your torso upright as you inhale. Raise your arms up towards the head to sit back onto your heels.